all. Librarians Day is celebrated on August 12 every year. It is mainly celebrated as the birth of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, the father of library science in India. Various educational programs are held to pay tribute to him. On behalf of Brainware University Library, we pay our respects to him. We also pay our respects to another great man, the polyglot Horinath Dey, whose birthday is on the same day, and with that we begin today's program. Before moving on to the main part of the program, we would like to pay our respects through a video. Just see. Our aim in celebrating National Librarians Day in 2025 is to honor and recognize the important role of librarians in the development of knowledge, literacy, and lifelong learning in society. With the purpose in mind, we will now discuss today's important topic. We know that AI is now deeply involved in our education, and today's discussion will be about its use in research. We hope that today's discussion will enrich us on the use of these AI tools. On this auspicious day, we have with us Dr. Deepshika Datta, Director of Research at Brainware University, and our respective speaker, Dr. Sukumar Mandal, Assistant Professor in the Department of Library and Information Science at the University of Burdwan. First, I would like to invite Dr. Deepshika Datta to say a few words and welcome our guest speaker. Ma'am, please.
Yes. Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So a very good afternoon to all of the participants who are present in this session today. And it basically gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this special session on National Librarians Day 2025. We are not just celebrating the invaluable role of librarians today, and basically we are preserving and disseminating knowledge and also embracing the evolving landscape of scholarly research. Now, in today's fast evolving digital landscape, the role of library is no longer confined to being a repository of books. Emerging intelligent tools like powered by artificial intelligence, data analytics, and advanced search technologies are transforming libraries into dynamic knowledge hubs. Now, they are enabling faster access to relevant information, revealing hidden patterns in scholarly content, and supporting interdisciplinary research like never before. These tools are not replacing the expertise of librarians, rather, they are amplifying it, helping them to curate, connect, and deliver information with precision and depth. Now, by embracing this innovation, libraries can stay at the forefront of research, bridging the gap between information abundance and knowledge clarity. Now, in an era driven by technology, the integration of intelligent tools for knowledge discovery is transforming how we access, process, and apply information. Now, this is not just about efficiency, but about enabling deeper insights, fostering innovation, and bridging the gap between data and discovery. We are privileged to have with us Dr. Sukumar Mandal, whose expertise will guide us in exploring how these emerging tools can elevate the quality and impact of our research. I hope this session inspires each one of us to adapt to these advancements, making our academic and research ecosystem stronger than ever before. So now I would like to introduce our speaker to all attending this session today. Now, Dr. Sukumar Mandal is an assistant professor in the Department of Library and Information Science at University of Burdwan. With over 12 years of teaching experience, he holds academic degree in MCOM and MLIS, including PhD in LIS. He has published 6 books and over 126 research papers at both national and international levels. His areas of specialization includes ICT in education, smart toolkit for research discovery, semantic web technologies, AI and machine learning, bibliometrics, knowledge graphs, open access, and open source library system. He has delivered 23 invited lectures at both national and international levels. Notably, he has also acted as a resource person at Jadavpur University, Malviya Mission Teachers Training Center, and at the University of Burdwan. He currently supervises several doctoral scholars and actively contributes to the advancements of library and information science in research and academic development. I thank Sir for accepting our invitation and request him to proceed with the deliberation. Thank you, and I wish all a very insightful and engaging session ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, please.
Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, first, good afternoon, everyone. Uh, my it is an immense pleasure to join you today as a resource person for celebrating National Librarians Day on August 12. Actually, it is held on August 12. In place of August 12, we will organize or deliver a lecture before one day, that is August 11, for some my official busy schedules. Now, it is organized by the Central Library, Brainware University. I sincerely thanks to the Madam Director of this university, Brainware University, and I also thanks to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Brainware University, and thanks to organizer Bandana Basu, librarian of this university, and also extend my thanks to Sujan Bondhu Chakraborty. National Librarians Day in India is celebrated on August 12th to honor Dr. S. R. Ranganathan. He is the father of library science in India. It recognizes the vital role of librarians in promoting knowledge and learning. The text envisions a transformative future for education, and programs like these are essential for preparing us to embrace that change. In my session today, I look forward to sharing insights on elevating scholarly research with intelligent tools for knowledge discovery and engaging in meaningful discussion with you all. So, thank you. Now, I shall begin my presentations. Shall I? Hello? Presentation is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
yes.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, National Librarians Day in India is observed on 12th August each year to honor the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Ranganathan, 1892 to 1972, the father of library science in India, renowned for formulating the five laws of library science and the Coulomb classification systems and also classified catalog code. Dr. Ranganathan's visionary contributions laid the foundation for modern librarianship in the country. The day celebrates the vital role librarians play in promoting knowledge access, fostering a reading culture, and supporting lifelong learning, while also inspiring continued innovation in library and information services across India. Now, today, my topic is elevating scholarly research with intelligent tools for knowledge discovery. Now, the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Elbert Taylor, as per according to the Elbert Taylor. Now, traditional search methods are becoming actually outdated. Scientific literature is growing at an exponential rate. Intelligent tools enhance research discovery. AI, that means artificial intelligence, NLP, natural language processing, and semantic search improve access and understanding. Smarter systems uncover trends and insights faster. The future of discoveries is efficient, connected, and data driven. Now, in today's rapidly evolving academic environment, the surge in research output makes it increasingly difficult to keep up using traditional methods. Intelligent tools for knowledge discovery are now vital when traversing this vast landscape. Powered by AI, machine learning, and natural language processing, these tools helps researchers analyze complex data, uncover hidden patterns, and draw meaningful connections across disciplines with remarkable speed and accuracy. This session explores how such tools are transforming or explore or improving the insights and enabling smarter workflows. It will highlight key platforms, practical applications, and strategies to harness this innovation effectively, helping scholars work more intelligently in their pursuit of knowledge. Now, the important concepts are in case of smarter indexing, we follow the ANIP because it may help to how to automate the subject indexing with the help of AI and machine learning. Then journal finder, Jenny, journal author name estimator, transforming open science with the help of unpaywall. Knowledge graph, we can easily construct the knowledge graph in any field with the help of Infernodos or in other tools also. Visualizing scientific landscape, that means Voss viewer. Voss viewer is more important tools for bibliometric and scientometric study. And next, organizing research results, carrot 2. So carrot 2 is very important for us. Next, retrieve, analyze academic citations, publish or perish, scientific papers, open alex, explore global science and technological knowledge with the help of lens. And in case of dimension, we follow the linked data solutions for a smarter analysis. Then reimagine research with the help of Research Rabbit, because we can easily integrate with the Jotaro how to manage the references and how to the semantic similarity that can easily identify. Next, conduct systematic literature review with the help of SciSpace, comprehensive literature review with the help of Answer This IO, free tool for scientific literature, Semantic Scholar. It's a very important tool for us. So ANIP, JANI, then Unpaywall, Infranodus, Hosviewer, Carrot2, Publish or Perish, OpenAlex, Lens, Dimension, Research Rabbit, SciSpace, Answer This IO, and then Semantic Scholar is the very important tools for managing the digital resources. And then one look. Now, in case of one look is very important for us because it is easily integrated with the Wikipedia integrations. That means language search engine with Wikipedia integration. Overview of one look is the now powerful language and terminology search engine. It supports dictionary, thesaurus, and reverse dictionary searches. It connects users to definition, their synonyms, and related concepts. It seamlessly integrated results from external sources like Wikipedia, and then its essential features: reverse a dictionary function, related words and phrase, direct links to Wikipedia articles, specialized search capabilities, thesaurus with Wikipedia integration. So reverse dictionary in functions, it means that search for a word for describing its meaning or concept. Results include entries for Wikipedia from Wikipedia for broader understanding, and then displays a network of associated terms. Many related concepts are derived directly from the Wikipedia contents and Wikipedia documents. And next, provides immediate access to Wikipedia entries. It enhances exploration with detailed encyclopedic information. It supports queries like English Wikipedia or outline of Wikipedia. It helps discover structured or thematic Wikipedia pages. And then thesaurus with Wikipedia integration, that means synonyms and related words, sources from multiple dictionaries, Wikipedia link terms, add context and real world relevancy. So what are the major benefits from this study? Now, it is ideal for students, writers and researchers. It combines dictionary precision with encyclopedic depth. It enhances vocabulary, research accuracy, and language explorations. So overall, outlook, one look is now very important concept for us. How to uh, how to construct the thesaurus constructions or language search engine with the help of Wikipedia integrations. And then this is the interface of OneLook. And now uh, actual URL is there, onelook.com/LOC. And then this is the search results of OneLook. Our search term is library, and then library, it will retrieve related terms and meaningful terms, a related one, library. In this way, we have to search in many terms. As for example, as per semantics way, chemistry, physics, sociology, or applied science, or engineering, or mathematics, in any subjects, you have to search with the help of one loop. And now this is the one loop thesaurus. So related terms, broader terms, narrower terms that can be easily identified. And aside from this, it also identifies the adjacent on a particular terms or a particular keywords. Now, Storm AI. In Storm AI is now very important for us because it is developed by the Stanford University. It is an interactive platform for building, testing, and deploying generative AI applications. It provides user-friendly tools to create, evaluate, and share AI-powered workflows. without deep coding expertise. It supports rapid prototyping and collaborative development, making it ideal for both research and educational purposes. It enables integration of various AI modules and data resources, streamlining the process of building advanced AI solutions. So this is the search interface of AI Storm AI. Here we search and click on these options, and it will easily explore the terms and related terms and its relevancy or a particular titles or a particular keywords. That means it increases the semantic similarity, or it increases the precision and recall value of a particular terms. Now, graph visualization tools, it is also an important concept in modern ICT environment. In this category, we we have to classify it in four categories. First is now development tools, then exploration tools, then embedded tools, then dashboarding tools. So in case of development tools, Neo4j browser, IP Sigma, Y-files graphs for Jupyter. These are our interactive visualization for Neo4j graph data because it is an openly available. Anybody can register and explore the knowledge graph with the help of Neo4j browser. Jupyter integration is also possible with the help of Sigma.js visualization, rich graph visualization components using Jupyter notebooks. Then exploration tools, this is also a vital tools for us. That means Neo4j Bloom, link areas, graph aware, Hume, semi-spec. So these are the major tools which belongs to the exploration tools. It is very intuitive. No code is required. Visual investigations, knowledge graph analytics and visualization, visual exploration of semantic networks. Then embedded tools, Neo4j, React Force Graph, Cytoscope, Cosmograph, Keylines, Y files for HTML. So previously we have discussed the Y files for Jupyter, and it is also support for HTML also. Then dashboarding tools, Neodash and Graphilion. So in this case, we have to explore the lightweight visualization components. It is also possible to display the 2D or 3D force-directed graph components to React, and now widely used network visualizations analysis tools, JavaScript SDK. It is possible. High level diagram, that is possible, which may help to draw the semantic search and to easily draw the research diagrams. Dashboard on top of Neo4j low code platform for graph apps and dashboard creations. Now, think machine. So this is very important tool for us. Can machines think like human? Is it possible for us? So now, in modern age, it is possible. So a think machine was the developer designed for, it is a researchers, it is for students, it is for knowledge makers or knowledge workers. But a smart web-based note taking and mind mapping tools. Why? To simplify the complex thinking by visualizing connections between ideas. When it is useful? It is useful during research, brainstorming, writing, and teaching also. So notes are written using trail links to auto-generate concept maps, AI Wayfinder. It helps to explore and query ideas. So where to access the Think Machine? Thinkmachine.com. You have to explore the thinkmachine.com. Now Think machine, our search term is now library. Then it will generate the library and their related term also. So related term is left navigation panel, and now right navigation panel will display the knowledge graph. So this is very important for us because we can easily explore the term on a term for our research, for our education, for our deep thinking purpose also. Now, this is the think machine. If we click on a particular terms, then it will retrieve the content also or details information of a particular terms. So now knowledge. So the symbol knowledge is the original definition or original concepts of knowledge. So now it is a AI or machine learning based knowledge definitions. So it is easily explored with the help of think machine. Now, cosmograph. Cosmograph is also now important concept for data scientists, researchers. It is a web-based tool for visualizing large graph constructions and embedding using WebGL. And then it is released on 2022. It is actively maintained online available using this link. It's also available JS React in offline environment also upload CSV or TSV file. It is auto detects mode, renders interactive visualization with the help of any browser like Mozilla or Google Chrome or in any web browser also. It is a fast, private, and flexible solution for exploring complex networks for embedding data. Now, this is the interface of Cosmograph. It will generate from the CSV file or TSV file. And now this is the AI graph maker. AI graph maker is also important for us because it gives the targeting general users, students and professionals also. It is the tools to creating various types of charts and graphs from plain data or prompts. It's active as of 2023 and until now it is active. Web-based platform. This is the link of the web-based platform. User inputs or paste data, select a chart type or prompt. The AI auto generates and display the visualization. User can edit the document, export the document, and share the document. So overall, it is very simple, fast, versatile solution for creating data visualization without coding. It is ideal for quick presentations and reports writing purpose also. Now, graph mapper, it makes the mind map, flowchart maker, line chart maker, bar chart, pie chart, radar chart, timeline creation is also possible, GNAT, and pyramid chart, stacked ER diagram, tree chart, organization chart, and knowledge graph maker. So now AI maker, E chart, so mind mapping. So these are the concepts which belongs to the AI graph maker, and it is also available by this link. Now, this is the text. After writing the text, then click on the generative AI. So after click on the generative AI, it will display the knowledge graph. How here we see the where we see the where we see the most relevant terms and their relations also. Suppose now metadata and RDF is represents, and now metadata and OWL and metadata and semantic web, the W3C. This is the standardized format, and this is the facilitate. Data integration means facilitate, and this is the OWL. This is the usage. So one paragraph, but is multi. But we have used the multi-purpose related. We have to explore the multi-level tasks. Now, this is the IP Sigma. IP Sigma is also important for us. It is developed by the Media Lab, Science Pro, maintained by the Guliami Plick, a Jupyter widget for interactive network graph visualization using Sigma.js. Actively updated latest version. It is the latest version 0.24.5 up to 2025 till date now. Works in Jupyter Notebooks, Jupyter Labs, Google Cloud, and it is also possible to install the offline environment. Just install the pip install and IP Sigma. How it is possible now? I Network X and iGraph and Pandas. It is supporting software. Ideas. It is ideal for visualizing large interactive graphs directly in a notebooks with rich styling and analytics. Rich styling and analytics. So now Google AI. Google AI is a division of Google focused on artificial intelligence. A CEO Sundar Pichai announced it at Google I/O 2017. It is a scalable cloud-based AI architecture, cutting-edge research and innovation, easy integration through API, that means application programming interface, tools for non-experts, and that is for AutoML, teachable machine, real world applications, for example, search, translate, and then strong open source contribution, TensorFlow, BART, and then supports for multiple languages and inclusivity, active research collaboration, and community support. So Google AI is now, it is based on artificial intelligence, and it is founded 2017 and 8 years ago. And now this is a search results of Google AI. Our search term is semantic web, and then click on this button, and after click on this, it will retrieve the results regarding the semantic web. Then Manus AI. So Manus AI is also an important. It is launched in March 2025. It is a autonomous generate AI agent. Actually, it is a AI agent. So its key features now works independently, not just a chatbot. Is a autonomy, plans, execute, and refines tasks. And then capabilities: browse, runs code, use tools autonomously, and architecture: multi-agent system, planning, execution, and verification. Performance: strong on GAIA benchmark, outperforming deep search is also possible. It is adaptability, application, limitations, and significance. So it is limitation is also there. Context length, deployment, and then security concerns. So Manus AI, it's very important for us because it's a intelligent agent. And now another AI. Another AI is also beneficial for the researchers. It is an AI-powered research assistant that it helps researchers read, analyze, and write academic content. It supports PDF, audio, images, and it offers citations, summarization, and note-taking tools in one collaboration platform. So it is also possible in collaborative platform. So now popular meta-analysis tools. These are the popular meta-analysis tools, and among them, Rebman is openly available, and now R packages is also there. Meta Essential, CMA, comprehensive meta-analysis are also there. Stata meta-analysis accelerator, Meta Excel, Meta Win, Open MEE, and then Meta Genko also. Then Prisma flow generator for systematic review. Now, in our writing purpose, for research or article writing or dissertation writing or in project writing, it is very important for us how to write or how to create the actual systematic review. Now, Prisma flow diagram is very essential for us because it create and customize the Prisma 2020 flow diagram for systematic reviews, evidence synthesis, Atkinson team, a developer. Then key features: interactive editing, downloadable diagrams, and in multiple formats: PNG, PDF, HTML. It supports Prisma 2020 citation ready. And then target users. Who are the target users? Researchers, systematic reviewers, librarians, evidence synthesis practitioners also. And these are the output formats: PNG, HTML, and then the citations automatically generates for using in publications. And then this is the Prisma flow diagram, and how to create the Prisma flow diagram for the researchers. uh, they will very much beneficial if they use the Prisma flow diagram for creating their systematic literature review. And these are the essential AI tools for research. Scholar Read, AI-powered tool to read and summarize the academic papers, and these are the URL. How to access these tools? These are the URL. And then lit maps, literature maps, visualize citation networks to help track and discover related research. And then EndNote, reference management tool, it is actually. And now Storm AI, already I have discussed. And then Notebook LLM. Notebook LLM is now very important for us because it can easily summarize and answer the questions, and it create the YouTube from the PDF. And then quadratic AI. It is a spreadsheet from reasoning and real-time collaboration with data and code. Then Orange data mining. So it is an open source tool for visual programming and data mining with interactive machine learning. So these are the accessing URL. If we access the particular URL, then we enter the particular website, or which is based on the AI enabled artificial tools for research. And then ANIF, how to provide the intelligent subject indexing tool for our institutions, or for to increasing the academic excellency or research excellency. This is very important for us. In this categories, we have to select the ANIF, because ANIF is automated subject indexing tool. It is developed by the National Library of Finland. Its purpose is now automating subject indexing and classification of documents. It is a multilingual support, multiple algorithms, and modular design. Supported vocabularies, SQUAS, Simple Knowledge Organization Systems, YSO, or in any LCHH documents. And now algorithm use TF, IDF, fast text. Actually, it is based on the neural network. It is all based on the AI and ML. Then input, then output, training required, interface, use cases, integration, advantages, and licenses, and anif.org. So it is very scalable, language independent, open source, and it is a integration with Viewfind or Koha or custom library systems. Library cataloging is also possible. Digital repositories development is possible. Research databases maintenance is also possible with the help of ANIF. Next, ANIF, this is the ANIF websites and how to choose the ANIF. So choose a control subject vocabulary and train ANIF on already indexed documents. It can then suggest subjects for new documents. So first, choose the subject vocabulary. Then prepare the corpus from the training data. Load the vocabulary and training the model, and then suggest subjects for a new document. So this is very important for us, because we can easily control, or we can easily access the subject from a multiple text, or a chunk paragraph, and it is based on the Omikuji, fast text, or TensorFlow. So now this is the big paragraph. So if we put here and then click on the suggestions, then we see the suggested subjects. If we click on a particular terms, then we go to the actual websites. So it is easily integrate or easily access the semantic similarity, which based on the intelligent subject indexing, or easily manage the vocabulary, which based on the automated subject indexing with the help of the ANIF. And it is also possible to run in offline environment. Now we go to the ANIF projects and download it and install it with the third-party softwares, and it runs ANIF run command, and we access the 127.0.1 and colon 5000. It is the code on a offline environment. So it is very important for us, and it is very conducive for us, because it can easily construct the automated subject indexing, and it is very much beneficial for the students, researchers, and academicians also. So Jenny is now also important for us, because journal, author, name, estimator. It is a machine. It is developed by the biosemantics, matches manuscripts to suitable journals or relevant authors by analyzing the title or abstract. It compares against a large PubMed-based databases to suggest journals, authors, or related articles. And what is the major purpose of this? How to easily find the suitable journals, to suggest journals with similar published works, and to identify the collaborators or reviewers, find authors in their related fields. So these are the major features: PubMed data integration, mainline and PMC, and then confidence scoring. So it is very important for us in modern ICT. It shows the confidence scoring for a particular terms or a particular keyword. That means match relevance. So relevance matching is to be displayed first as per the confidence level. Article influence score, similar to impact. It is similar to impact factor. Journal and author tagging. Journal and author tagging is also possible, and here all the journal is based on the DOAJ, that means for the Directorate of Open Access Journals, and approved by the Open Archive, and PMC. Important notes, it's mainly for biomedical and life sciences users or researchers. Predatory journals may appear, verify quality, best used alongside expert advice and librarians. Consultation is also need in this case. So Jenny is very much important tools, and this is the interface of Jenny where we find the journals, find the authors, and find the articles. And next, we paste the, we write the documents, and now on a particular terms or a particular concepts. If we click on the journals, then it will retrieve the essential journals along with the confidence rates. So confidence mechanism is also possible with the help of Jenny, because it increases the recall and precision also. So article influence and their articles, so article details is also possible if we click on the show articles option. Now find authors, it is also possible. Find authors, these are the major important authors regarding the particular abstract or a particular term or a particular concept. Then finding major relevant articles, and then unpaywall is transforming open science, and there are many databases are available in free scholarly articles. We harvest open access content from over 50,000 publishers and repositories, and it make easy to find, track, and use. So it get started with the help of libraries, enterprise, and research purpose also. And then product, browser extension, unsap, database snapshot, data feed, and REST API is also possible. So integration, dimension, and lead maps, lanes, and others, maybe in database also, Scopus, Web of Science, Clarivate, TRIP database, TDNet, Science Open, PB Hub, Science Gate also, Europe PB, PubMed Central, EBSCO, Discovery System, which is known as the EDS, and then Cloud Source OA, Open Archive System. So it is the best platform where it is a awesome case. It can support downstream, and people have found lots of uses, making Unpayable a trusted world-leading authority to open access. Here's a list of organizations who are currently using Unpayable data. And there is a online open access dashboard available also, hybrid open access monitor, European Open Science Monitor, German Open Access Monitor, 360 links are also there, SFX, and then EBSCO, EBSCO FTF, which belongs to the library link resolver, and then browser extensions, and then machine learning and AI. So machine learning and AI, facting. Then Jawaharlal Nehru University, they have to use the machine learning concepts for subject indexing. Then machine intelligence in Sweden, MIT Knowledge Future Group, PubHub Navigator, Research Publish, Scholar then Semantic Scholar, then Wisdom AI. Wisdom AI are also there. And other integrations is also there. And now open access button, these are the open access button. So it's a free legal research articles delivered instantly or automatically requested from authors. And here is also possible to write the URL or DUI or PMID or PMIC ID or title or a citations of a particular document, and is available in openaccessbutton.org. Infranodus, it is also important for us. It is a web app that can represent data, from the text, and it is also possible to generate the knowledge graph from a text or CSV file. Every word is a node. Every co-occurrence is a connection. It builds a graph and apply network science algorithms to get insights about the connection in this graph. So it can encode any text or anything user want into a graph. Infranodus will visualize it, so user can analyze it, and then get a visual summary, discover content apps, generate insight using AI, import your data from anywhere, topic modeling and sentiment analysis, interactive text visualization. GPT-4 is also supported, multilingual supported, fully shareable and private by default, and browser extensions and API. So these are the major features which belongs to the infranodus, and it is also available in online environment. So this is the keyword rankings and keyword and knowledge graph creation from a particular chunk text or a particular CSV or TSV file, and then it is represents in multiple colors also, and their connectivity and their relations and their entity and their concepts are also. And then I increase the project notes and AI. It also increase the AI insights. So this is also another window or a particular concepts where you see the it is actually it is a field, broader field is agriculture, IoT, agriculture and IoT relations with the multiple terms and their relevancy. This is also this is circulative term. Actually, it is a template. It can change automatically, and then uh, practical concept of infranodus.com. Then VosViewer. VosViewer is a platform and user-friendly software tool which may help to design for constructing and visualizing bibliometric networks. These networks may represent relationship among journals, researchers, or individuals' publications and are built using methods such as citation analysis, bibliographic coupling, co-citation, co-authorship. In addition to creating bibliographic maps, VosViewer has advanced text mining features that allows users to pull out key terms and catchy terms from scientific papers to make co-occurrence networks. So it is released in 2010 by Niels Jan van Eyck and Ludo Waltman of Leiden University, and has since become a widely used tool in bibliometric and scientometric research for exploring the scientometric mapping visualizations, the structure of scholarly knowledge, and it is found and it is the main essential features is that network type, interactive visuals, data source support, overlay and density maps, clustering and layout, NLP integration, fractional counting, data cleaning, high research export, and flexible access. So these are the major features which provide by the VosViewer. So VosViewer is very important and conducive for us because it can easily generate the scientific and knowledge graph, scientometric and bibliometric knowledge graph visualizations with the help of VosViewer. So it is openly available. Users, researchers can download and install it both in Linux or Windows platform also. Now this is the VosViewer interface is a software tool. Uh, Already we have this is the keyword co-occurrence, so it may help to see the keyword co-occurrence. And now this is also a keyword co-occurrence, agriculture, IoT, or internet, and it can be created with the help of VosViewer. This is the citations, and we see that more cited more citations achieved Alexis C. Kumar during 2016. So it is very important. So it can manage the big data or data science also. Now, source citation network visualization. So, how many journals are there? How how many how much journals are most relevancy? So it can easily identify it. Here we see that Nature Communications is the best journal or most usable journal or most qualitative journal in the field of source citation network visualization as for a particular topic or a particular concept or a particular data sets also. So these are the data sets, the knowledge graph visualizations, or bibliometric visualizations with the help of VosViewer. This also, it is also a change the circular mode also, and Catot 2. So Catot 2 clustering search engine. It's very important for us. It's a open source tools that automatically clusters small document collections like search results or abstracts into meaningful thematic groups. Then history. It's created by David Weiss in 2001, MSc thesis, missed first official release in 2006, last version 4.7.0 in 2025 February. Key features, visual clustering, that may visual clustering from web, PubMed, local, and Solar and Elasticsearch data. So it is also possible If it is installed in local environment, then we can indexing from the local databases also. User-friendly interfaces, web search clustering, clustering workbench, and support Excel, JSON, CSV, and XML format. And then clustering algorithm. Then clustering algorithm, it can be classified in three components: Lingo, STS, and K-means. In Lingo, so it's create descriptive, meaningful facts of clusters. STS is fast, suffix tree based clustering. So actually it is based on the form tree. K-means baseline method with bag of words clusters. Technology and license built in Java, distributed under BSD and Apache 2.0 license, integrated via Java API or RESTful clustering server. Then visualization. So visualization is also possible with the help of tree map and pie chart. So now, how to design the clustering, how to design the carrot to for the betterment of library repositories or for the betterment of single window search interfaces from the web and local environment also. It's actually it is a totally based on the form tree concepts. And now the applications, ideal for researchers, analysts, students, and marketers modeling structured insights from large number of text sets or large number of data sets also. Then this is the interface of Carrot 2. This is the search interface. It's organize your search results into topic with an instant overview, what's available, and will quickly find what you are looking for. Then this is the search terms of physics. If we click on the search buttons, then it will retrieve the search results related the physics terms. So this is very important for us, and and it will also display the how facet and output, and it is also display the faceted counts on a particular facet, particular documents. Now matter, and it's 11 documents are available. Nuclear, nuclear, plasma, laws, 11 documents. And now astrophysics, there are 10 documents are available. Class, mathematical, NCRT, 9 documents are available. So it is very much conducive for the researchers or educators or students also, because they can easily explore the how many relevant documents are available on a term of physics. So it is also possible to export in Excel format that can identify the easily identify the systematic reviews for easily explore the literature review concepts, or increase the literature review, or increase the scientific visibility, some scientific visuality. So this is now tree map. Tree map is totally based on the form tree. So if this is the form tree, and now in matter particles, we already discussed the 11 documents are available. So this is the tree map, and this is the pie chart visualizations. So this is very important for us for literature review purpose or scientific literature visualization purpose. Then clustering. So how many clusters are available? How many clusters documents are available? How many results are available? So it is possible. So now this is the Excel format. It is possible to export the multiple formats, that's for Excel, OpenOffice, CSV, and JSON format, including the clusters and documents. So it is very much conducive and very much beneficial for the researchers, educators, to increasing the research excellency and academic excellency. Next, how to practice the Carrot 2, then how to access or practice the Carrot 2, then just open this website, and researchers can easily explore it. So publisher queries. Publisher queries is now, it can help the developed by the Professor Annie Will Hadging in 2006. It's a robust and freely accessible citation analysis tools designed to help academic and researchers emphasize scholarly impact. Features are Google Scholar, cross references, Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, Semantic Scholar, OpenAlex, easily integrated here, and H index, G index, H1 norm, E index, and now citation counts per year, user-friendly design, individual researchers, academic institutions, and it is also exported in different formats, CSV, big text. Why it matters? It is especially valuable for subscription-based database or data visual database. Impact reflects Professor Hudging dedications and recognized for fundamental resources for bibliometric and scholarly evaluations. And now publisher pages is available in this website. This is the interface of publisher pages. Here you see that the interface already have discussed in theoretically and in practically cross differences, Google Scholar, Google Scholar Profile, PubMed, OpenAlex, Lens.org, Scopus, Semantic Scholar, Web of Science. Import from external database is also possible. And how many documents are available on a particular concept? So it is possible in next snapshots also. So now publications year 2000 to 2003 to 23, and the term is now keyword is linked open data, and here we select the maximum results 100, and it is and you can change as per your library requirement or as per your research requirement. Citation year 25 year we have to select, papers 100, citation per year. So these are the components where we see the major major components based on the publisher page, and it may helps the bibliometric analysis for easily construct the literature review. So this is the OpenAlex. OpenAlex is the bibliographic catalog of scientific papers, authors and institution accessible in open access mode named after the Library of Alexander. It started operating in January 2022 by our research as a successor of the terminated Microsoft Academic Graph. It competes with commercial products such as Clarivate Web of Science or Elsevier's Scopus, and is complemented bibliometric tools with the help of API services also. So it is a record depth, citation indexing, author topic titles, subject keywords, periodical titles, author, article, reviews, and editorial concepts are also for coverage, chronologies, abstract, proceedings, and these are multidisciplinary aspects also. And now this is the lens interface is very much conducive for the research scholars and patent knowledge as a public good to inform science and knowledge, science and technology enable problem solving. So it is both. It is beneficial both for scientists and researchers and students also. These are the major features: scholarly search and analysis, collections and portfolios, explore biological sequences, discover experts and collaborators, mapping influence of scholarship. Institutional toolkits are also there. If any institutions can create their institutional toolkit, this is the scholarly works. How many works are there? Scholarly works are there, open access documents are there, huge numbers of authors are there, owners are there, applicants are there, families and citations are also there. So patent and scholarly works are easily identified with the help of lens. And this is the lens interface and search results, where you see the patent search results. Patent analysis are also there with the help of visual graph, pie chart, or histogram, or bar chart also, a practice of lens. Then dimension, intelligent discovery, faster insight. It's a linked data solution for a smarter analysis. And then interface of dimensions, where you see the publication year, researcher, research categories, publication type, and their relevant documents also. Then gold access, open access, bronze access, green access, hybrid open access, it can easily access. Then practice of dimension, or how can access the dimensions. If we click on the dimension AI, then we easily explore the dimension AI. So research David, this is the research David, AI powered research assistant designed to help academics and researchers to discover, organize, and keep track of scholarly articles. And it is easily, it is a Spotify for papers due to its intuitive recommendation based approach to increasing the academic discovery. And here we see the new collections, new category, import from Zotero collections. And now semantic similarity is also possible with the help of research David. How many documents are there? How many earlier works are there? How many suggested authors are there, and similar documents are there with the help of the knowledge graph and their timeline also. If we click on the timeline, then we see the timeline on a particular terms. Then practice of research debit, if we click on the researchdebit.ai, then we easily access the research debit and it's totally free for all and anybody can access. Conduct systematic literature review using SciSpace. SciSpace is very much important for us because it is a copilot based facilities and SciSpace is based on the GPT for deeper insight. It enhances productivity by making research more accessible. Additionally, it provides a repository of millions of research papers, seamless discovery and collaboration. It's a valuable tool for students, academics, scientists are looking into streamline their workflows. And this is the why SciSpace? Why not others? So now citation backed answers, comparison table, multilingual support, section-wise summary, GPT store, PDF uploads, PDF from YouTube, it is also possible, export results, Jotaro integration, chat with papers or articles or in any PDF documents also, multimodal access, note taking and free plan availability. So this is very important for us. And now how to access the size space, how to access the size space. This is how to access the size space. Now this is the size space interface. This is size space interface, and here we here we click the literature review options. Even we click the literature review options. Now here we write the semantic web. Just write the semantic web and now click on the uh, go options. Then it will thinking and retrieve the documents. So here we see the 5 papers and you change the 10 papers also, but in case of 10 papers, it is need to subscribe them. So size space is very important for us and you see the insights of a particular paper and you increase the conclusion level, summarize abstract, result, summarize introduction, methods, summarize introductions, methods, contribution, and practical implications are also, and it is also extend the other components also data set, dependent variables, future research, research gap. So, what are the research gap in the field of semantic web? So, it is possible to identify. See the now. So, this is the research gap. So, this is the research gap of a particular paper. If now the data quality in the semantic web, so this is the research gap. So state of the art in semantic web, this is the research gap. So how to identify the research gap on a particular term or particular keyword or a particular topic? So then it can easily possible to explore the related terms or now then comprehensive literature review, answer this IO. Answer this IO is very important because it can increase the smart search and recommendation, automated summarization, citation management, concept mapping, and gap analysis. Collaboration tools. It is a totally collaboration tools. So now save times, improve accuracy, and enhance discovery. It is now Semantic Scholar AI powered tool for discovering the scientific literature. It is a free AI powered research tool based at the Allen Institute for AI. If we search the synthetic biology, then we see the documents regarding the synthetic biology. And now this is the cited publications and H index and their citations and highly influential citations are also explored here. So this is the modern citation method. That means highly citation, highly influential citations on a particular terms, on a particular concept or a particular data. Then 131 citations are there. So here is where we also see that background citations are also there. Here background citation is 36. and method citation is 19, and result citation is 77. So this is the modern citation matrix components: highly influential citations, background citation, method citation, and result citation. And now related papers, so it can easily identify the related papers with the help of TLDR facilities. And you can also manage the references. Uh, Here you see the APA. If we click on the APA, so it will automatically convert the APA style. If we click on the MLA, Model Language Association, it will automatically export or convert the MLA concepts. If we click on the Chicago, then it will easily convert the Chicago manual style. So AI is the new electricity. Andrew NG, co-founder of Google Brain. Now, so we go to the Prisma flow diagram. This is the Prisma flow. This is the Prisma flow diagram. Just processing now. Prisma flow diagram, and this is the journal finder option. Now, Prisma flow diagram. If we click on the create flow diagram, then just is now processing now. It's under processing Prisma flow diagram. Now, Jenny, journal author name estimator. If we uh, if we click here, if we put the abstract or a concept, then we click on the find journals, find authors, find articles regarding the particular abstracts or a particular terms. If we click on the keyword by these options, just click on the keyword options, then we write the web, just and click on the find journals. So explode the, it will display the find journals, most relevant journals, network. So these are the relevant journals and their confidence rate also. So here confidence rate 13%, here confidence rate 6%, here confidence rate 4%. So these are the major journals in the field, our search based on the search term web. Now we go to the Jenny again, and this is now Prisma. Prisma is coming here, and now we see the Prisma now included. So this is the main option. Previous studies. So what are the previous studies are there? Other searches for studies. Then individual databases. If there is individual databases for particular research, you can include it. And then individual registers. If they are individual register, you can include. Then click to reset. Then identification. How many databases are there? Registers are there. Websites, organizations, citations are there. Duplicates are removed. Then automatically excluded. Other exclusions. Screening is also important. Under the screening, we see that record screen, record excluded, and then record sort, then records not retrieved, then other reports sort, other reports not retrieved, report assessed, excluded, then assessed, report again reports assessed, then other report excluded, then new studies, new reports. So after completion of total data, then we click on the PDF file, it will retrieve the uh, graph or Prisma flow diagram. So it is very much conducive for the researchers, students, academicians, scientists also, because they can easily write their research paper, article writing, and they increase the conceptual purpose, increase the concept or ideas for a particular terms or a particular concepts. Then again, we have to write a uh, text, particular text from this window. Now click on the find authors. So if we click on the find authors, then it will retrieve the most relevant authors under the regarding the paragraphs or regarding the uh, concepts or ideas. So these are the major authors. And now we see the show articles. So this is the show articles along with their citations. So in this case also, so this is very important for us. We can easily explore the journal author name estimator with the help of Genie concept. Next, workbench. Next, carrot 2. So now theoretically we have discussed in carrot 2. Now if we click on the tree map, now it will display the carrot map in the form of tree map. So it is based on the form tree. And next, pie chart. It is also possible. And how to export it? If we click on the export option, then click on the Excel, or you may change as per your requirement. Then you can change also CSV format. You can also change the JSON format also, because it can manage the big data or data science also. So if we click on the Excel format, then export it. So we see that. So we see that export it. So now, how many documents are there? How many documents are 180 documents are there with the help of on the term of mathematics. Their URL, their title, their ID, their URL, their sources. How many sources are there? Then tree map. So this is very important for us, and their clustering search results are also possible. Then PubMed. If we change the PubMed, you can change the PubMed, click on the cluster, then it will change. So network, sometimes just face the network problem. Now we go to the OpenAlex. OpenAlex is also important. Suppose now Claudia Golden, if we click on the Claudia Golden, then it will retrieve the uh, that is bibliometrics or scientometrics study is also possible with the help of Open Catalog or Open Science environment, and it is fully support the OpenAlex works and their authors, their sources, their institutions, how many institutions are there. So these are the institutions, and you can export it. You can export it. So now in CSV format, you can open it and you can explore it for your writing purpose. And how many countries are there? So you can export it. You can export it, and now you can also export in view in API format also. So this is the application programming interface, and now this is the research Dept interface. If we click on the similar word, then it will retrieve the similar word on a plant biochemistry. Now if we click on this button, then under the nanoparticles enhance plant resistance to antibiotic stresses, then it will retrieve the similar work 105, all references 82, all citations. So if you click on the similar work, then it will retrieve the knowledge graph along with the content or similar work. So if we click on the timeline, then it will retrieve the timeline. So this is very important. So this is very important for us, because we can easily explore the knowledge graph with the help of a research rabbit. And then size space we have also explored. Then cosmograph. Now this is the cosmograph. Cosmograph is now very innovative. Now we can now we can import the documents from the CSV dataset. Now export it, and and now here we see the lot of documents are there, and now just citation per year. Now launch it. After launch it, so now it can generate the knowledge graph from the CSV file. So this is very important and conducive for us. Here we create the knowledge graph, and now you can generate your knowledge graph from your CSV file. And if you click on the acceleration button, it will uh, automatically drag or move from one place to another. So this is very important uh, concept uh, to uh, to visualize the concepts, or to visualize the any items regarding a particular topics or a particular components. So now this is very important for us, where we can easily construct the knowledge graph. And this is, and now we go to our presentations. Now this is literature review, citation styles, Jotaro or Jotaro Beam. Now Jotaro Beam is a very important tool for us, because we can easily uh, explore the documents from the Jotaro Beam. Jotaro Beam. Now we go to the Jotaro Beam. Jotaro Beam. We go to the Jotaro Beam. We go to the Jotaro Beam. Here we uh, now go to the semantic scholar, and put here term linked open data. Right here, linked open data, and under linked open data, it will retrieve in number of documents, huge number of documents. And now this is the DOI. Now you just put that copy the DOI and paste here in Jotaro Beam. And now here n number of citation styles are there. Now if we select the American Psychological Association, that means APA 7th editions, and click on the cite options, and click on the cite options, and it will easily retrieve the uh, APA format. That means that which we have to export from the semantic scholar. And now, how many citations are there? 13 citations are there on these terms. And how many hash PDFs are there? Hash PDFs are there, so that can be easily identified. And authors, how many authors are there on a particular term? So now, uh, Alan W. Mills 2, Florian theory 2, Abrams 1. So this is called the faceted count, and this is the references, and this is the related terms. So you can easily convert or easily explore the semantic scholar, and we have to also generate the automatically citations from the with the help of Jotaro View. Jotaro View. And now if we click on the 10 other citation styles, if we click on the more citation styles, so now uh, add citation style. If we click on the here, it will, suppose now IEEE, it will retrieve the huge amount of search engines or reference styles. Now IEEE Access, IEEE Annals of History of Computing, IEEE Circuits and System magazines. So it will very much beneficial for in the field of engineering or chemistry, physics, or botany, or in geology, or in any subjects. They have to very much beneficial. So now, then we go to our presentations. Now, this is the artificial intelligence. This is the history of artificial intelligence, components of AI, and AI tool. Why it is important? It is easily automation, efficiency, problem solving, innovation, enhance decision making, improve user experience, safety or security, resource management, medical enhancement and medical advancement, natural language processing, then medical advancement, predictive analytics. So these are the important programming tools. And now these are the important search engines for literature review. Already we have discussed. Then academic search engines, OATD, PLOS, BASE, ORCID, SSRN, Core, Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Microsoft Academic, PQDT Open. And then automate time-consuming research tasks like summarizing papers, extracting data, and synthesizing your findings. And then AI search engines for research, and then connected papers, where easily visualize the tool to help researchers and apply scientists to find out the papers or articles from the web, and then explore the scientific documents. And this is the interface of connected papers, where you see the entities, properties, and relationships. And then paper digest. So it is quickly drafts the core idea of the paper. And then abstract full text or paper digest is also possible. PDF plus device is also possible. And then the uh, uh, total literature review writing is possible along with the citations, Jotaro review and Jotaro citations, synapse interface, iris.ii, compression, algebra. So Julius, data analytics are also possible. Epsilon uses AI answer these research questions in academic literature. PLOS one, PLOS one is the right choice for authors who want to make their research available and discoverable for all. And in number of documents are available. PLOS one, open access academic search engines are also there. And this is the lit maps, literature mapping is also possible. And then research metrics, journal metrics, all metrics, and then collaboration metrics, patent metrics also possible. Then tools for research metrics, PubMed, ResearchGate, all metrics, Dimension, SciVal, Mendeley, Web of Science, journal metrics search engines, and then SGR, and then Science of Science, Shape of Science or Science of Science, then graph visualizations for Albert Einstein, then IRINS, then ORCID, subject category, then there are defined instances, profiles, publication, citation, all metrics are there, and how many faculty members are there, we can easily identify with the help of IRINS or with them. Open access or closed access documents are also available there, and their SparkQL concepts are also there with the help of now Ranganathan, SR Ranganathan. How many persons are associated with the SR Ranganathan, that can be easily identified with the help of SparkQL. And now predicting the future is not magic, it's artificial intelligence. And now the integration of artificial intelligence tools in scholarly research represents more than a mere technological advancement. It signifies a transformative shift that enables researchers to explore, to analyze, and to discover knowledge with enhanced depth and precision. These tools simplify complex processes, enhance collaboration, and enable faster discovery of meaningful insights across disciplines. By embracing AI-powered solutions and data-driven platforms, scholars can navigate the vast landscape of information more efficiently, leading to innovative findings and impactful contributions. As we move forward, intelligent tools will continue to elevate the research experience, making the pursuit of knowledge more accessible, more inclusive, and dynamic for all. So, thank you. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Okay. Thank you uh, all for your kind attentions and active participation. I trust the session provided valuable insights and inspired thoughtful reflections on the dynamic landscape of scientific knowledge discovery. Wishing you continued success and enriching experiences as you engage further with the National Librarians Day or in any program.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You
Today we
go.
heard about many types of AI tools such as Manush AI, IP Sigma, Graph Maker, One Loop, Cosmograph, Storm AI, or many more. While we have heard some of these before, we have also learned about some new now. Thank you very much, sir, for this informative session. We hope we have been enriched. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now the
So,
time of vote of thanks. Acha, just now, Shujan, any questions are there?
No, ma'am. We haven't received any question from anyone.
You have any questions, please write in the message box.
Or
No
they can
question.
raise their hand to ask anything. The
Okay.
participants can raise their hand using raise hand option to ask anything to sir.
No questions, I think.
No, ma'am, no question.
Okay.
so now, uh,
Now the time of vote of thanks. First, I would like to thank our Honorable Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Pro Vice Chancellor, and Registrar for encouraging us to organize this event. Next, I would like to thank our Research Director, Dr. Deepshikha Dotto, for her informative words. I would like to thank the National Digital Library of India, the Center for Multidisciplinary Research and Innovation, Brainware University, IQAC Brainware University for their collaboration on this event. Most importantly, I would like to thank all of our participants. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all of our staff members for their heartfelt support. Obviously, library staff members. Again, I'd like to thank Dr. Sukumar Mandal for sharing this important information. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
thank you. So, before leave the session, now good afternoon once again. As I conclude my session, I extend my sincere thanks to the librarian Brainware University for the honor of being part of celebrating National Librarians Day. My special thanks to the organizers, Vandana Bosu and Sujan Bandhu Chakraborty for giving this opportunity. And I hope this session on elevating scholarly research with intelligent tools for knowledge discovery offered some useful insights. Wishing you all continued success in this valuable program. So now, okay,
Thank
Sir,
you,
one
sir.
more thing, sir.
okay,
Is it possible to share this PPT with us?
okay, I'll try it. Okay,
Okay. Okay,
okay,
sir.
okay,
Thank you. Thank
okay.
you very much,
Thank
sir.
you. Okay.